Hey guys, welcome to another TechGrub video. We've got a mini garden for the kitchen and a headband that helps you meditate. As usual, the links to all the products are in the description box below. Let's see what's cooking. We all could do with a bit more sunshine, right? Well, this alarm clock gives you just that. It's a fully customizable smart clock that not only gives you a ring when it's time to get up, but also simulates a good morning sunrise. You can choose to wake up to the sound of nature, maybe a few birds chirping, or the sound of running water. Not only that, but it's also compatible with Alexa, so you can wake up the house too. Plus, it's got Bluetooth connectivity and FM radio, so you can play your favorite tunes while making that first cup of coffee. Rise and shine, guys! What if you could ditch the alarm clock for a few zaps instead? Don't worry, you won't be electrocuted. It's an alarm clock that fits just like a wristwatch. You set it up with your smartphone, and when morning comes, you'll start getting a few gentle vibrations letting you know it's time to wake up. If you sleep like a rock and that's not enough to wake you, a few beeps will go off followed by some zaps just to make sure you still have a heartbeat. It's just the thing if you and your spouse wake up at different times. Who knows? You might get up so refreshed you won't even need coffee. Need to turn on Zen mode? We've got a Muse for inspiration. If you keep a busy schedule, or you just feel the need to turn life down a notch sometimes, check out the Muse Headband. And no, you don't get these when you graduate from the Ninja Academy. The headband has built-in sensors that detect your brain and body activity and helps you go into sage mode, just like Naruto did when he fought pain. Okay, enough anime references. On a serious note though, the Muse helps you zone in with audio guidance from meditation experts, where you hear different sounds in response to your brain activity. Now, you can teach yourself how to stay calm in any situation. I think we all need a bit of that. What's cooler than a freezer in the kitchen? Well, a lot of things actually. But we've got something in mind just for you. Meet Aerogarden, the best way to get freshly picked fruits and vegetables right off the kitchen countertop. You grow these mini tropical islands with just 4 ingredients: seeds, water, plant food, and light. And they grow 5 times faster than when in soil. And if you're thinking that chemicals make them grow this fast, These crops are 100% GMO and chemical-free. Fit up to 6 different plants with the countertop version, and you get to control it from your smartphone. Talk about cool tech! And here's a fun fact. Studies show that speaking nice things to your plants helps them grow better. Isn't that right, little Kelly Willy? The dust is one of those gifts that just keeps on giving. Luckily for us, there's the Color Coral Cleaning Gel that can take on the dust from any angle. The gooey blob molds to any shape and grabs dust in some of the toughest spots you can think of. Clean that dusty keyboard, those AC vents, or any hard-to-reach spot with total confidence, and honestly, it's kind of satisfying to play with. Keep reusing the gel until it develops a dark color, and then you can replace it. They come in cool neon colors like aqua blue and yellow, so why not get blue for the office and yellow for the car? Remember those Tamagotchi pets from back in the 90s? Looks like they've evolved and making a comeback. The Roborock is your pet vacuum cleaner that's just looking for a family to call its own. The Roborock uses reactive AI technology to navigate and learn the home that it's in, and dual cameras show you exactly where and what it cleans. And guess what? You never have to feed it. When the battery runs low, the Roborock finds its way back to the charging station to fuel up all on its own. Just be sure to rub its belly every now and then. They like that. Okay, you know that old toothbrush holder you've got on the bathroom sink? Yeah. Toss it in the trash, please. The air in bathrooms carry invisible germs that end up right on your toothbrush, but with this UV sanitizer, you get the power of the sun fighting for that bright smile of yours. This sterilizer uses UV rays to break down 99% of the germs on your toothbrush. It's got a built-in toothpaste dispenser, cup holders, and installation is easy peasy. The whole thing can be charged from any light source, so no wires and no clutter, only bright smiles. I wonder how the Tooth Fairy feels about this. Some say there's nothing quite like watching a movie on the silver screen. What if I said the silver screen can be with you wherever you go? With the Kodak Luma, you can do just that. Skip the long cafeteria lines and meet up with your friends to enjoy that movie you never got to see. Stick it to the man. You bring your own food to this premiere. It's got a rechargeable battery and built-in speakers, but we recommend connecting your Bluetooth headphones if you want that cinematic boom. And what's great about this nifty projector? You can use it for a bunch of other things, like gaming or maybe that presentation that can land you the big promotion at the office. Go get 'em, Tiger. Hope you like this video. Go right ahead, hit that subscribe button, tell us what you think in the comments. Till next time.